Post tracking a little bit of rain across South Texas tonight. There's some stuff up to the north of Laredo across to Corpus Christi, and then right overhead in the valley we're picking up some pretty good showers right along the Highway 83 corridor, the I-2 corridor from just east of Harlingen right into McAllen, then west to about Mission. Kind of a closer look shows you where that stuff is, and none of it is real heavy, but you could see a brief downpour with it as it kind of sneaks across overhead. That's basically our front. North of it, the winds are kind of strong out of the northeast. South of it, a light easterly to northeasterly breeze. As that front settles through the area tonight, everybody will end up with north wind. Temperatures will cool off a bit into the 60s, and then it stays cool most of the day tomorrow. But these showers could stick around much of the night and into the early morning hours tomorrow as well. Front settles through. The models still print out some pretty good showers about 8 o'clock in the morning. That may be a little overdone, but I wouldn't be surprised if you hear a couple of rumbles of thunder late tonight and early tomorrow morning. But by midday tomorrow, that stuff should break up, and by late afternoon, at least a little bit of sunshine. Maybe not a clear blue sky, but at least some thinning of the clouds, and that'll allow things to warm up a little bit, not very much. We go forward to Wednesday, another bright sun-filled day across the area. We see bright sunshine, low humidity, warm afternoon temperatures, and after tomorrow morning, no rain. Our chance stands at 50% through about midday. And then after that, we're dry for Wednesday, Thursday. Friday will be dry as well. Here's a look at current temperatures across the region. We're all in the 70s except up at Edinburgh where the front went through first, so it's 69 there. Everybody else will cool into the 60s relatively soon. Our lows tonight will be in the 60s, pretty much valley-wide, the exception of the island, bottoming out at about 71. And then tomorrow, it warms up, but not very much. Consider today we are in the mid to upper 80s across the region. Tomorrow we're looking at low to mid 70s, so a pretty good cool down from one day to the next. The normal high for this time of year is 85. We're going to go 73 tomorrow, but then 84, 88 for Wednesday, Thursday. So a couple of days below normal, and then we're right back above once again. Satellite and radar shows the clouds have been thick all day, and then tonight the showers have broken out along that front. Zoom out, look at the rest of Texas, and you can see that most of the rain in the state has been down here. There's not much else besides that. Temperatures cooler across the rest of the state. We're in the 70s. Everybody else 60s and 50s tonight. 59 in Dallas, 56 at this hour in Abilene. The front beginning to push southward down. As it does, it'll bring that slightly cooler air into the region. It'll be here tomorrow, I think Wednesday. High pressure is almost right on top of us. That means we clear the skies out. A lot of sunshine. And it also means that we'll start to warm up again. That sun this time of year, you don't need much, and you're back in the 80s again. By Thursday, we've got a warm front moving back through. That means Friday will be downright hot. Next front due in, it looks like early in the day on Saturday. So for tonight, cloudy and cool with spotty storms around. Everybody probably see a little rain, and a couple of places might pick up a thunderstorm. Lows in the upper 60s, and then tomorrow, some leftover rain in the morning. Maybe an isolated thunderstorm, but then mostly cloudy all day. High tomorrow of only 73 degrees. Here's your 7-day forecast. 73, 84, 88, and then wait till you see Friday, 95 degrees. Another front Saturday morning cools it off a little, but not a lot, about 86 on Saturday. And then Sunday we're back to 80 with sunny skies once again. Tonight, though, a few showers out there. The roads are wet. Just allow yourself a little extra time if you're headed out tonight. And there could be a rumble of thunder or two. Don't be surprised if the house shakes a little middle of the night, but I don't think there'll be anything severe. Just, an isolated thunder shower.
It's good to have you back. You were gone last week.
I had a big conference out on the island last week and learned a lot about tropical weather. The season is just around the corner. It's supposed to be a little bit above average. So, of course, hashtag it only takes one.
Yikes.
Yep, you bet.
Well, that's weather. Now sports.